Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. In the last video, we learned AutoSum and quick calculations. In today's video, I will show you another time-saving Excel features, Flash Fill. It's perfect for cleaning and organizing data quickly. So let's start. Part 1 Flash Fill Basic Control plus C. And suppose I have a list of names like this and I want to split them into first name and last name instead of writing formulas. I just type Richa in the first cell, then press Ctrl plus E, and Excel automatically fills the rest of the column with first name. And guys, we try it again with last name. I just type Patel in the first cell, then press Ctrl plus C. And guys, you can see here Excel automatically fills the rest of the column with last names. And part 2 Formatting data with Flash Fill. Guys, Flash Fill is not just for name. Suppose I have a list of phone numbers like this and I want to format it as bracket 987 bracket close space 654 dash 3210. Then press Ctrl plus C and Excel applies it to the entire column. And part 3 bonus tips smart data entry. Guys, Flash Fill can identify patterns. For example, I have a list of email IDs like this and I want usernames only. Just type Amit dot Sarma in the first cell. Then press Ctrl plus C. Excel extract all usernames. Guys, this feature saves significant time when you're working with large data sets. And so guys, today we learned how to use Flash Fill for smart data entry and formatting. It is a simple but powerful tool for cleaning and organizing data without formulas. For more tutorials, subscribe to DataDesk Pro and share in the comments how you plan to use Flash Fill in your works. Thank you and see you in the next video.